जो सभी बच्चे यहाँ पर हेडिंग डाल सकते हैं, अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ आईटीएफ, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ आईटीएफ। और जो आपके डाउट्स आपने भेजे वो मैं आपको सॉल्व करके अलग से भेज देता हूँ। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ आईटीएफ, इसको कंप्लीट करने, क्योंकि ये आज कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो बच्चों ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में मिला होगा, वही क्वेश्चन मैं आपको लिख करके दिखाता हूँ। ये देखिए क्वेश्चन आपका डाउट भी था और आपने भेजा भी था। तो देखिए इफ, ये कई सारे एग्जाम्स में भी कॉमन है क्वेश्चन, इफ ए ग्रेटर देन बी ग्रेटर देन सी ग्रेटर देन 0, ऐसा कुछ गिवन है, तो आपको प्रूफ करना है, प्रूव दैट cot इनवर्स AB plus 1 upon A minus B plus cot inverse BC plus 1 upon B minus C plus cot inverse CA plus 1 upon C minus A। बच्चों ये आपको प्रूफ करना है कि ये वैल्यू जो है ये पाई के इक्वल है, लेकिन एग्जाम में ये पाई नहीं गिवन था, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, तो ये पाई आपको खुद टिक करना था। तो मैंने इसको प्रूव दैट करके बना दिया। और बच्चों मैंने आपको कल एक प्रॉपर्टी भी बताई थी, अगर आपको वो सारी प्रॉपर्टीज याद हो तो मैं आपको प्रॉपर्टीज फिर से बताता हूँ। कल मैंने रिसेंटली आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी बताई थी, जरा वो प्रॉपर्टी जस्ट एक सेकंड के लिए फिर से आप देख लीजिएगा, ये आपकी स्क्रीन पे है कि साइन इनवर्स 1/x को आप कॉसेक इनवर्स x लिख सकते हैं अपनी डोमेन में, cos इनवर्स 1/x को आप sec इनवर्स x लिख सकते हैं अपनी डोमेन में, and tan inverse 1/x can be written as cot inverse x in its domain. But there is some exceptions in tan inverse 1/x. If x is positive, then it is written as cot inverse x. If x is negative, then it is written as minus pi plus cot inverse x. So these properties will be used in this question. So now you can see the property again. The property is tan inverse 1/x is equal to cot inverse x when x is positive, otherwise minus pi plus cot inverse x when x is negative. I think it is clear. Now you can see also that cot inverse, ध्यान से देखिएगा, cot inverse x becomes tan inverse 1/x when x is positive, and otherwise when x is negative it becomes pi plus, when x is negative it becomes pi plus tan inverse 1/x. See properly what is the property. Cot inverse x is tan inverse 1/x when x is positive, otherwise pi plus tan inverse 1/x when x is negative. If you can see the above question, you will find that a greater than 0, b greater than 0, c greater than 0, and there is other relation is a greater than b greater than c also. But it is given that a is positive, b is positive, c is positive. You can see. Now you can use the property of cot inverse x. So cot inverse x property will be used in this question. So cot inverse, you can see ab plus 1 upon a minus b. So cot inverse can be written in terms of tan inverse. Why? Because a is positive, b is positive, and a is greater than b, then a minus b is also positive, and ab plus 1 is positive. You can see properly, a positive, b positive, that means ab is positive, ab plus 1 is positive. A is greater than b, that means difference of a minus b is also positive. So the whole quantity ab plus 1 upon a minus b is greater than 0. So the number in between cot inverse, that is ab plus 1 upon a minus b, is greater than 0. So it becomes the cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1/x. Now you can see tan inverse you can write cot inverse x in terms of tan inverse 1 by x. You have to do the reciprocal of AB plus 1 upon AB minus 1. So it becomes A minus B upon 1 plus AB or AB plus 1. Similarly, this explanation will be applied in second part. You can see the second part also. The third part, similarly, you can see the same explanation. C minus A upon 1 plus C. Now you can see this is very fundamental question becomes. This is formula of tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Again, you can see tan inverse B, see properly, tan inverse B minus tan inverse C. But if you can see, there is some big changes in third part. There is big changes in third part. You can see the second part is follow the instruction of cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x, because B minus C is positive, 1 plus BC is positive. But in third part, you can see there is a big change because it is written that C minus A, and you can see it is given the C minus A is negative. Why? Because A is greater than C. So A minus C is positive, but C minus A is negative. So the third property will become, the third part will be become, which is C minus A, which is negative. So C minus A is negative and 1 plus C is positive. So C minus A upon 1 plus CA becomes negative. So tan inverse, so cot inverse, the number between the cot inverse, that is CA plus 1 upon C minus A is negative. So which one property used? कौन सी properties इसमें use होगी? ये वाली. तो बच्चों, this is very clearly you can see the when x is negative, it is written as pi plus. So you have to write here. What is you have to write? This is pi plus. See properly. This is given pi plus. Why? Because cot inverse x, where x is negative, so you can write pi plus tan inverse 1 by x. So it becomes pi plus tan inverse C minus tan inverse A. Now you can see the all terms are going to be cancelled. Given only, that is pi. Hence proved. So this is the exam question. Very easy. तो बच्चों, आपको अब समझ में आ गया होगा कि क्वेश्चन किस तरह से किया गया है.
यस सर.
क्वेश्चन का मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि एग्जाम में जब क्वेश्चन आया था तो कैसे बच्चों का गलत हुआ है, क्योंकि इनको प्रॉपर्टीज पूरी तरीके से पता नहीं थी और वो कैंसिल करके सारे टर्म्स उन्होंने जीरो कर दिए, जबकि इसका आंसर था पाई. तो बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन योर स्क्रीन now. If y is equal to cot inverse root cos x minus tan inverse root cos x, you can see y is equal to cot inverse root cos x minus tan inverse root cos x. Then prove that sin y is equal to tan square x by 2. You have to prove that. In examination, it is written as what is sin y? 4 options are given. Tan square x by 2, sec square x by 2, like that. The question is given, if y is equal to cot inverse root cos x minus tan inverse root cos x, you have to prove that sin y is equal to tan square x by 2. Now, this is question number 2. You can see the solution of this question also. It becomes y is equal to cot inverse root cos x you can use the identity like sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Similarly, you can use tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. What is pi by 2? Now you can use cot inverse x. Cot inverse x can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x and x is root cos x minus tan inverse root cos x, like that. So the question becomes completely in terms of tan inverse. This is pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse root cos x. Now you can use 2 tan inverse x, which I told you earlier in previous class. 2 tan inverse x can be written as cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. Now you can use this property in this question also. This is pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse root cos x. Y is equal to pi by 2. Now you can use this property in this question. 2 tan inverse x. X is replaced by root cos x. So it becomes minus cos inverse. You can see 2 tan inverse x. X is replaced by root cos x. So this becomes cos inverse 1 minus x square. X is root cos x. 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. You can see properly. It's very easy. Now it becomes y is equal to pi by 2. Now it becomes y is equal to pi by 2 cos inverse 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now you can see 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Applying the formula of cos x in numerator, this is 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. In denominator, you can apply 1 plus cos x, and cos x is written as 2 cos square x by 2, 1 plus 1. Applying the formula, cos x is equal to, in numerator, 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. And in denominator, cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. After simplifying, you get y is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse. This is tan square x by 2. This is tan square x by 2. So it becomes now cos inverse tan square x by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Now you have to see tan square x by 2 is equal to sine y. This is the proving. Now you can see that tan square x by 2 will become cos of pi by 2 minus y. So tan square x by 2 is become sine y, because cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Hence proved. Question is over now. You can see the question is over now. तो बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन फिनिश हो गया है. Now we will go for another question. तो जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम लोग मूव करते हैं. The next question is given that prove that. तो बच्चों अगर आप पेपर सही ढंग से लगा रहे होंगे तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन कहीं ना कहीं मिल जरूर रहे होंगे. This is cos inverse. This is third question. Cos inverse cos alpha plus cos beta whole divided by 1 plus cos alpha into cos beta is equal to 2 tan inverse 10 alpha by 2, 10 beta by 2. You have to prove that. The next question is written like that. अब बच्चों को उसको प्रूव करना है. If you want to prove, then use LHS or RHS. You can use LHS or RHS. If you know the identity of 2 tan inverse x, you can easily apply 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse. You have recently seen this is 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Apply this property from RHS. Now you can take RHS. So becomes RHS is 2 tan inverse tan alpha by 2 tan beta by 2. So it becomes cos inverse 1 minus x square. So it becomes tan square alpha by 2 tan square beta by 2 whole divided by 1 plus x square मतलब tan square alpha by 2 into tan square beta by 2. Now open this, write down as tan square alpha by 2 can be written as sin square alpha by 2 upon cos square alpha by 2. Similarly, tan square beta by 2 can be written as sin square beta by 2 upon cos square beta by 2. After applying, after simplification, you can get the form of cos square alpha by 2, cos square beta by 2, sin square alpha by 2, sin square beta by 2 whole divided by cos square alpha by 2, cos square beta by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2, sin square beta by 2. So it becomes cos inverse. It becomes cos inverse. Now you can apply. How can be written as cos square alpha by 2, cos square beta by 2? Cos square alpha by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos alpha, because 1 plus cos alpha can be written as 1 plus 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. So cos square alpha by 2 can be written as 1 plus cos alpha. I think it is clear to everyone. This is 1 plus cos alpha can be written as cos square alpha by 2. This is 1 plus cos beta can be written as cos square beta by 2. Now this becomes 1 minus cos alpha. This is 1 minus cos beta. In denominator, you can apply the same formulas. 1 plus cos alpha, 1 plus cos beta, plus 1 minus cos alpha into 1 minus cos beta. After multiplying, you will get the directly LHS. This is after multiplying, all terms will be cancelled. You can find only cos alpha plus cos beta whole divided by 1 plus cos alpha into cos beta equal to LHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. तो बच्चों ये क्वेश्चन हो गए हैं, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.
ये सर आगे.
The question number 4 can be written as evaluate cos of 2 cos inverse x plus sine inverse x. Evaluate cos of 2 cos inverse x plus sine inverse x at x is equal to 1 by 5. You have to evaluate this. X equal to 1 by 5 पर आपको वैल्यू निकालनी है इस एक्सप्रेशन की. How will you find? Use the identity in between cos. Okay, 2 cos inverse x can be written as cos inverse x plus cos inverse x. Now you can see it will become the identity cos inverse x plus sine inverse x, which becomes equal to pi by 2. So it becomes pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. So it becomes pi by 2 plus cos inverse x. And the students, cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta is minus sine theta. And with the help of triangle, you can evaluate the sine of cos inverse x. How can you evaluate? Put cos inverse x is equal to t, then cos x is equal to cos inverse x is equal to t, then x is equal to cos t. If cos, I think it is clear. With the help of triangle, you can evaluate sine of cos inverse x. How can you evaluate? Cos inverse x is equal to t, x is equal to cos t. If x is equal to cos t, what is sine t? What is sine t? Sine t becomes root of 1 minus x square. If cos t x, sine t is this, and t is cos inverse x. So sine of cos inverse x becomes 1 minus x square. So the answer becomes root of 1 minus x square. Now put the x equal to 1 by 5. When you put x is equal to 1 by 5, you can see the answer is minus of square root of 24 upon 25. I think it is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
The next question on your screen is question number 4 is finished. Question number 5. Evaluate the question is evaluate tan inverse, this is 3 sine 2 alpha divided by 5 plus 3 cos 2 alpha plus tan inverse 1 by 4 tan alpha. You have to evaluate this expression. You can take time. Okay, students, you can see the tan inverse 3 sine 2 alpha upon 5 plus 3 cos 2 alpha. Use the formula sine 2 alpha and cos 2 alpha. You can easily solve this question. What is the formula of sine 2 alpha in terms of tan alpha? Sine 2 alpha can be written as 2 tan alpha whole divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. and cos 2 alpha can be written as 1 minus tan square alpha whole divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. So the question becomes tan inverse. Putting the values on these values in terms of tan alpha, you will get finally 6 tan alpha whole divided by 8 plus 2 tan square alpha plus tan inverse 1 by 4 tan alpha. So the question becomes tan inverse. You have to take common in numerator and denominator. You will get 3 tan alpha whole divided by 4 plus tan square alpha plus tan inverse 1 by 4 tan alpha. Now you can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This is tan inverse x plus y whole divided by 1 minus x into y. This is x and this is y. Now you can see that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. After simplifying, all terms are going to be cancelled. After simplifying, all terms are going to be cancelled. You will only get tan inverse 16 plus tan square alpha times tan alpha whole divided by 16 plus tan square alpha. Now this term is also cancelled out. You will get finally tan inverse tan alpha. This will become equal to alpha. So answer is alpha. It seems to be question is very long, but answer is only alpha.